So I woke up early in the morning at around 5:30 and I thought of recording time lapse. Time lapse didn't come that great, but after sunrise I took some really nice lapse video. Was like, let's take for this Chembra peak. It came really nice. Hi guys, so it's day 2 today and yesterday was amazing. I might be looking a little tired because I slept a little late yesterday. It was really nice jamming with people and there was a campfire. So today we have planned to go Kozhikode, which is like around 80 kilometers from here. So if you are in Wayanad, you can go to Kozhikode and see some good beaches there. So that's what the plan is for the day. Yesterday was very hectic. We did commute and reached Wayanad, and we took little rest and we thought of like staying here because the property is so amazing that you need not go anywhere else. So we just thought of like going to one place, and we went to a dam. That was what Karapuda. That dam was. Actually okay, not that great. So here the stays, homestays and all are really nice. You need not go anywhere else. That's all. Let's see. We gotta start our ride in like 10 minutes or so, and we will leave for Kozhikode. Cool. So we left for Kozhikode and we'll be back by evening. Strujan wanted to visit Kozhikode to see beach. So we were like, cool, let's go. We are a little late today, but it's actually good because there was so much of mist everywhere, fog. So because of that, you cannot see really well nature too because everything is hidden. And okay. Yeah, that was crazy. See guys, the view is amazing. And there is no, railing, barricades or anything on the edge of the road. If you don't see, you go down. And that will be real bad. Doggo! Chotu doggo! Guys, so to go. You're on set. Bye. Which way it is? Which way? Now Shuju, you are a pro in maps, no? Yesterday you were going that side. So we are done with our breakfast and I got to meet a guy who is from Malappuram and he is going to Ooty. So I asked him what all beaches are there which are like good ones. But Srujan wants to go to Kappad beach, which is to the north of Kozhikode, and it looks actually good, clean and green, and clean and green. Yeah, eco-friendly beach, kind of well-maintained beach it is. We will go there, and the roads are like this only. You can't do much. Roads are bumpy. So we are on highway now. So highways in Kerala are like this only. The government doesn't allow to make highways. I don't know why. They don't want the highways to be broadened up. But these roads are good. Twists and turns are nice, I would say. Super smooth. Such are the problems. People will take reverse, this and that, a lot of things. You know what? Kerala is highly urbanized. There is no place you will see like a proper city except some big cities like Cochin, Calicut, Thiruvananthapuram and others. So people are like everywhere. It's all urbanized only. Not much of rural areas in Kerala. Guys, this is epic. So I didn't expect such a view. Oh my goodness. People are stopping here to see the Nazara. You see those vehicles going down? Epic, man. Next level, man, next level. See those roads there? Oh, we have to cross all of that. Like this, go there. Wow. You see that? Most beautiful ghat section I have ever seen. Wow. मजा आ गया. See this. There's another ghat road there going that side. So we were somewhere there and have taken those ghat roads. You see that? We took photo there, and from there we have come. I don't know what roads we have taken, man. Ghat section was amazing. We were literally there. See that? चुका हूँ एंड दिस इज अ प्लेस, ओहो, कापड़ बीच, अमेजिंग मैन। तो ये बीच है। सो गाइस, ये है कापड़ बीच।